In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new account on HubSpot. This process is straightforward and user-friendly, but I'll guide you through it step by step, ensuring you understand everything along the way. So, let's get started. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to HubSpot.com. Once you're there, take a moment to look around if you wish, but when you're ready, direct your attention to the Get Started Free button. This is usually located prominently on the home page or within the CRM section of the site. Go ahead and click that button to begin your account creation journey. Now, you'll see a few different options for signing up. HubSpot makes it quite convenient by offering multiple sign-up methods. You can choose to use your Google account, Microsoft account, or if you prefer, enter your email address manually. Each option is simple to follow, but let's focus on using an email address for this demonstration. If you decide to enter your email address manually, HubSpot will send a verification code to your inbox. Make sure to keep your email client open or your notifications on so you don't miss it. Once you receive the code, type it in the provided space on the website. This step is crucial to ensure the security and validity of your account. Next, it's time to set up your profile. You'll be creating a password, which should be strong and memorable. After that, fill in your first and last name. These details help personalize your HubSpot experience and keep your account secure. Moving forward, you'll need to provide some information about your company. HubSpot asks you to specify your industry and job role, followed by your company name and size. These details help tailor the services to fit your business needs more accurately. After inputting the business specifics, you'll be asked to provide your company's website and choose your location. This information is often used to recommend tools and resources that are most relevant to your region and industry. Once everything is filled out, it's time for the exciting part, finalizing the creation of your account. Look for the button that prompts you to do so and click on it. As your account is created, HubSpot might present the option to choose between a quick start setup or a manual one. This is entirely optional and depends on how much control and customization you want right out of the gate. And there you have it. You can now log into your newly created HubSpot account using your email and password. Everything's done, and you're ready to dive into what HubSpot has to offer. Enjoy exploring all the amazing features and tools at your fingertips. Thanks for joining me in this setup guide, and remember to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.